My name is Norah Patton and I'm a future astronaut with the International Institute for Astronautical Sciences. The next step in my journey is to fly to space with my research institute IIAS and Virgin Galactic. I absolutely do think back to when I was that young child growing up in the west of Ireland, and what an impossible dream and an impossible ambition this was back then. I've had so many messages from parents, from kids, from teachers, from many different parts of society, so it's just been a phenomenal boost. When I look good, I feel good, and I feel empowered and I feel ready to take on the day. I've managed to forge my own path, I've managed to break boundaries, I've managed to progress the seemingly impossible, and I think it's going to be such a huge milestone for the next generation. I think what Aimee and the team at Sculpted have achieved is phenomenal. You know, like my journey to space, there is no roadmap when you set out as an entrepreneur with a big goal and a big ambition. Nobody tells you where to go or how to achieve it, so you have to be the one in the driving seat and to be that driving force of constantly looking for how to progress.